Nike is blending functional performance with understated style in the upcoming Pegasus Premium Light Loden, dropping fall 2025 for $210 via Nike.com. Designed with versatility in mind, the sneaker features a tonal engineered mesh upper in deep pewter, light Loden, and dark charcoal. Subtle fleck textures appear on the swoosh and midsole, delivering depth without disrupting the minimalist look. Structural support comes from a semi-translucent overlay that spans heel to forefoot, adding sleek continuity. Technical specs remain consistent with previous Pegasus Premium models. ReactX foam and a full-length Zoom Air unit ensure a smooth, responsive ride across varied terrain. Thoughtful branding details like a woven tongue pull tab and a tiny swoosh on the toe finalize the design. Whether hitting the track or the streets, this earthy edition stands out for its balance of performance innovation and quiet, stylish sophistication.